Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A12. So what we need for are the buttons. So we will need the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons simultaneously just for short, maybe for 1 second together, and you will have a screenshot. After you can see here a preview, you can edit the picture or share directly with WhatsApp or Messenger and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together, maybe for 1 second as I said. And then after, if you tap here on the editing symbol, you can edit now the screenshot. You can draw something inside if you want. Or you can also crop just a part of the screenshot, maybe if you have a picture from a website and so on. And yeah, to save it, you just go here on the arrow after, and it is part of your storage. Yeah, where to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery. And as you can see, I had already some tries here. And what is very nice here at the gallery, if you go on the category albums, you have now an own folder just for your screenshots. So very nice. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I have created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.